Hi guys, we're gonna do crazy things with slime. Oh, my name is so stressy. Okay.
My name's Petunia.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna set this camera up. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is our lasso. No.
I'm not gonna say this.
Look at your We're seeing if you're gonna do this lasso. No, not like that lasso, like that. Get it ready and stretched. Get it ready and stretched. And just try to lasso the chair.
Oh, that kind of. Yeah. I didn't even do that, yoga.
Oh my god, a little piece of my slime just flew.
Ready? Hi.
Oh my god. I'm scared of Hannah.
Ooh, do that, yoga.
This is like how this is the piece that flew. I have some of my slime. Okay. Let's get to lassoing.
It's so mean. Everyone do that, yoga.
I'm just gonna get my basketball. We're gonna do that one next. Yeah. Basketball slime.
Can you do yoga?
Yeah. We love it. Not right now. 2. No. 1. It keeps breaking.
Can we jump now?
Monday might be his last day out on the ice before a while because of the warmer air forecast.
Nuts. 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 Yummy nuts.
After today, we're saying the ice conditions are probably not going to be safe anymore.
My friends are probably watching me on YouTube all the time. February 15th.
Don't care. It's in my hair. It's in my hair. It's in my hair.
Oh,
Lily, it's in my hair.
Oh god. Oh god, come here. Come against the camera.
Out of my hair.
Oh.
Dude.
Oh my god, I lassoed it! For the first time, guys, look it!
Oh my god, you lassoed it so many times.
Okay.
And spin now and more.
No.
Why?
I only did one thing.
I don't care.
So now we are gonna do. What are we gonna do? Okay, so first we're gonna do.
We already did one. This is number 2.
Next Tuesday on NBC.
Jumper boots.
Every one of these kids has weakness inside.
I can do that. Gonna stretch our. Ah!
Okay, I'll go front and slide to like something joker. So you stretch it out with your balls. And if you feel it start to rip, then stop. And try not to really lose your balance. You try to touch it to the
Okay, I'm ready.
and pull it
I
up.
wanna show the camera my jumper band.
You can't jump.
Yes, I can. Oh, gross.
Watch him on everyone.
Can I try it with your slime?
No! It's in my hair, it's in my hair, it's in my hair.
Okay, now we are going
To jump roll.
No, we're going to do. Okay, I call this.
Yeah, you just have one line and 3 things. What do you get into that?
3. Oh,
I'll be back.
Why she's doing that, I'm gonna do the lasso sponge. Ow, it hurts my head. Oh. Now we're gonna play basketball with it. If you guys don't know how to wrap it up in a ball. Go get a parent or an adult that's a friend or something that knows how to. Now we're gonna use it as a bouncy ball. So that was bouncy ball. And now Hannah will do it. It's your keynote.
Let's show you the Mass DOT traffic camera, give you more of a ground level view.
Okay,
on 91
so Hannah's gonna do it.
See, this city is just
My name's Petunia.
although there is more fog in places like the
Ask me some questions.
Petunia, what do you do in your free time?
So according to the storm machine forecast
I do
for
this.
today, we're going to start with some areas of fog, a lot of low clouds. But gradually through
Ask me another question.
the low clouds
What do you
break
eat?
apart, revealing a mix of
I
sunny
eat
clouds, say, between
hammers.
AM and
Hammer time!
So this afternoon will be fairly bright, and we head into the low 60s. Tomorrow will be almost repeat today. So fog and low clouds in the morning, then the sun comes out, the temperatures up to
What
60s to almost 70 here.
Are you evil or
Might be a
nice?
smile. 40s come back on Thursday, and then there's going to be almost a chance of rain every single day.
I'm shocked.
Sunday forecast. Here
Why?
comes the rain
I'm evil.
more north.
It got you.
Over air to push in from the south and southwest today.
Psych.
And that's what's going to push us well into
Just joking, I'm
the
super
this
nice.
afternoon. Our skycast picking up pretty well on the fog and low clouds, especially up and down the Pioneer Valley. And then we go between 9 and noon and we start to see that. It may be a very slow, gradual process for some of us. The general idea of the day is that as we go later into the day, the sun comes out over the low clouds. So I expect a mix of sun and clouds this afternoon. Here we are at 2. And when we try this afternoon,
Where is Lily?
cloudy into this evening. But here we go again after midnight.
Oh God!
Clouds start to form again up and down the Pioneer Valley. So we start up
Get
tomorrow.
off.
We're starting today.
Bad Petunia.
Between about 9 and noon again, and then afternoon tomorrow until tomorrow.
You're staying with me.
A couple showers bringing some cooler air. So fog gives way to sun and clouds. High 60 to 64. The
Can't
low
catch me.
62. So we're possibly tired of break the rain out today. Tonight, drizzle coming in after midnight. 44 to 48. So we start with the fog and low clouds today, and then sun and clouds.
What's
66 to 70 the high tomorrow. The record is 59. So we should very easily break the temperature record.
Oh, she's trying to
A
eat.
few showers tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, and a few more drops on Thursday, bringing cooler air. 43 degrees.
I got Petunia.
On Friday,
Let me go.
showers and 49.
You're a wild animal, so you're going bye-bye.
Wet during the afternoon. 41 degrees.
Thank you.
And that was Hannah's puppet show. And the last thing we're gonna do is, Hannah, you're gonna do this with me?
Are we gonna do this?
Okay, we'll do that. Say goodbye. Everyone ready? Hey, I can't see my face.
My face is more prettier. Don't. Ow. 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 Lily, let's go. Ready?
Huh? Okay, let me try.
Ow, ow. Oh, I want to try first. Ring.
Cruz is charged 17 counts of premeditated murder in connection to last week's shooting at Stone and Douglas High School. The judge agreed to a request by the defense team Monday to allow certain documents to remain sealed. Cruz said at the defense table was stood down during the hearing
Okay.
and did not speak.
Goodbye.
Remember, eat your vegetables.
Eat
those vegetables.
Subscribe.
Oh, especially carrots.
Subscribe, like, and
Carrots.
hit the bell. Subscribe and like. And I hope you like this video.